First, be well prepared. Learn about the company and understand the job role. Preparation shows professionalism. Second, dress neatly and professionally. Your appearance creates the first impression. Third, always be punctual. Arrive on time or a few minutes early. Punctuality shows respect. Fourth, greet the interviewer politely. A smile and good manners create a positive atmosphere. Fifth, speak clearly and confidently. Listen carefully and answer honestly. Sixth, maintain positive body language. Sit straight and maintain eye contact. Finally, always be honest. Honesty builds trust. Don't test. Now let us look at the don't test. Do not arrive late. Being late creates a negative impression. Do not use your mobile phone during the interview. It shows lack of focus. Do not speak negatively about previous employers. Professionalism is important. Do not interrupt the interviewer. Good listening shows respect. Do not give false information. Truthfulness is always the best policy. Do not show overconfidence. Stay calm, respectful, and humble.